Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate oil paint in Photoshop. Firstly, before applying the oil paint filter, first convert the image layer into a smart object. This ensures you can edit the effects later. Open your image in Photoshop. In the Layers panel, right-click or Control-click on the background layer. Select Convert to a Smart Object from the menu and you'll see a Smart Object icon appear in the layer thumbnail confirming the conversion. Now, apply the oil paint effect. Go to the Filter menu at the top and choose Stylize, then Oil Paint. This opens the Oil Painter Filter dialog box. Ensure Preview is checked in the dialog box. This allows you to see the changes live while adjusting settings. Once the oil paint filter is open, tweak these settings to customize the effect. Stylization adjusts how smooth or detailed the strokes are. Cleanliness controls the refined or rough the strokes appear. Scale, which changes the size of the brush strokes, and Bristol detail increases texture and in-depth and of the strokes. Once you're happy with the effects, just click OK to apply. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.